First of all, get these bitches. I ain't even care about your wishes. You know I'm a different girl. I come from a different world.
Hi guys, this is Buntle. I'm back again with another video. So my mom was installing my hair because I'm slow. I'm slow with everything I do. So now I'm just gonna uncurl my hair. Yeah, Pila. How do you uncurl? Okay, there we go. Wait, I don't wanna ruin. What's going on? What's going on, boo? Okay. Oh, Kosem. I thought this was gonna be an aesthetic video. What the heck? It came out. Yeah. I don't know. It's not bad, is it? It's not bad, ne? Oh! Oh! This is the last one. Okay. Okay, girl. Look at those curls. Okay, guys, this is how it looks. Like, this is how it looks. Nice, eh? And then, I don't know, guys. Should I brush it? Okay, let's brush it. Wait a minute. A little. I'm not brushing, never mind. Yeah, it's fine like this. Chonga. This is how I look. It's still me, don't be scared. It's still me. Let's get dressed. I'll show you my outfit and then no, not.
I mean, where the fuck should I?
For accessories, I'm gonna do this gold watch. For my belly piercing, I'm not sure. Okay, focus. Either this or that, and we letting my mom decide, ne?
Butterfly.
She didn't even let me finish talking.
Really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark.
Today's scent is Versace Dylan Blue. Pronounce it, will buy it to me. Let me show you. It's still fresh. I think I've unboxed. Ne? Can you see? Good. Like a lady.
Niggas cross the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps was.
And of course, the most important accessory of all. Don't tatazel, just tatazel. Yeah, man, yeah. Per.
Facts they sat with the bars. I got two phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart.
So guys, I forgot, Uti, I didn't explain to you guys why I'm getting ready and where I'm going. My bad. So I'm getting ready to go to Binoni, or this place called Monkeys and Beds with my friend.
Big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the waves. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just lapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap this nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave. I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top, like I'm scared of the drop. Still on top, and these niggas wanna swap.
There's been a change of plans. We now at ice skating. Your boyfriend of the day, guys. My boyfriend of the day.
Just wanna swap like a sauce in a watch. I don't wanna change cause I'm good where I'm at. Multi, so I'm always good where I'm at. Word of Junior, Jazzy, Baby J. Tell them when I die, put my money in it.
Couple figures, kill a skull and collect. She fuck a nigga, then she on to the next. Really living large, she ain't all with a Mac. You niggas thinking small in the mall with a rat. Roll with us if you really wanna get it. Go get $500,000 in the Sprinter. Phone ringing, bitches know a big triple. I got the hook up and there really no limit. Dead brokers in you nigga DNA. Ricky Smile is indicated with the J. Little nigga, just another state case. Bury my motherfucker Chase Bank, time to bounce. Gotta count on my allowance. You niggas pushing, so I gotta rebound it. The nigga dripping like I got $1 zillion. Got the truck jumping like time when I rebound. Then I'm out. And I never talk about it. Homie squad, but we all smoke the loudest. Rich niggas in them really being modest. Cause the way I do my deals never treated like I bought this fucking house. You could DM my account. My DM 6 figures and I'm counting. 9 figures was the goal till I hit the these niggas ain't living, so bury mine with me.
When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just lapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap this nigga on my face. Let it slap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave.
Okay, guys, we're back. Did you? Okay, I'm joking. But okay, guys. So I went to the car wash today. Went to the car wash and I went to fetch my dad's sweets and I went to Checkers. I didn't tell you guys. Bring Jacqueline. I know, you know, but yeah, we back and.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Catch me in the